Alright, so today we're going over a really useful prompt that can basically turn ChatGPT into our own personal skeptical friend. And when I say skeptical friend, I'm saying a friend that will be able to genuinely judge our business idea and give us, feedback that we want to hear to understand whether or not it's a good business idea. So the prompt itself is super beginner friendly. You can get it from the description of the video or the pinned comment. But once you have it, all you have to do is copy, hit paste. You'll be able to hit enter and then answer a series of questions about your business or business idea. So as we can see here, it looks like this. You are my skeptical friend. Your job is to challenge my idea hard, spot the top 5 ways it fails, and then help me fix it into something that actually works. And then there's a bit more to this that you can go through and alter if you like, but as I said, it's extremely beginner friendly and designed to ask us a series of intake questions to get the gist of what our business idea is, and then go ahead and actually give us a plan if it is not a good business idea. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter, and then we'll see what it does. As I said, it's super ready to go to the point where it'll just start asking us the intake questions after you hit enter. So as we see here, it says, what's the idea in one sentence? So I'm going to go ahead and just say painting company locally for residential. Let's just say this for fun. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and answer all of these intake questions really quickly. That way it doesn't take the entirety of the video of me going through one by one. I'll go ahead and answer each of them right now, and then we'll go over them super quickly and take a look at what the actual results are. So I will be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and answered the questions as if I was starting a new painting business with, a few family members and friends. So I basically said, what's the idea in one sentence? I said a painting company locally for residential only. Who is it for? I said homeowners in the Greater Toronto Area who need interior and exterior painting. What's the offer? I said they get a free quote where we come and assess. Our prices are good since we are trying to create a new family business and is delivered by me and 4 other workers who will take on the work ourselves. What's your one main channel to get customers? I went ahead and said door-to-door flyers and ideally local marketing online like Craigslist style. I could have went ahead and said just door-to-door because they did ask for one, but I added an extra one just to see. Now, when you're answering these questions, just take note, it's best to answer as descriptively as possible and as detailed as possible. That way you'll get the most out of the prompt. So I'm answering fairly generally. I am giving some detail, but the more detail you give, the better. So then it asks, what's your timeline to prove this works? I said 60 days would work. What's your biggest worry or weak spot? I just said hard to find leads and close the ones we do get. What does success look like for us? Basically consistent quote requests, ideally 2 to 4 a week and at least 1 job a week. Then it goes ahead and actually starts to assess our business idea as if it's our skeptical friend. So this is where we see the 5 ways this fails ranked. You look like cheap new painters instead of a trustworthy family business. Then it goes into why, early warning signs, people ask how much, the fix, and telling us what we can do. Another issue. No trust proof means people hesitate to let you into their home. So the fact that we're a new business, that's also something that can be an issue. As we see here, interior and exterior painting is not just a price decision. Homeowners worry about mess, damage, bad prep, unfinished work, and strangers in their house. And then all kinds of other stuff. So early warning signs, for instance, people ask, do you have reviews? They'll say they'll think about it after the estimate and the fix. Get 5 starter jobs from friends, family, neighbors so that we have clients and actually have proof that what we do is legitimate. So it gives us a breakdown of what we can do to fix this. Then door flyers may generate weak leads unless the offer is specific. And it explains why, tells us what we can do, and just over and over it basically goes through the 5 reasons and tells us what we can do. Next it goes over the brutal truth. Your biggest risk is not lack of demand, it's that homeowners will not trust a new painting company unless you look organized, safe, and proven. So also good prices because we're new is weak positioning. It makes you sound inexperienced. Say fair pricing, family run, careful prep, clean finish. Fix the plan, a stronger version, so it goes over everything that we can be doing. So for instance, a family-run GTA painting crew focused on clean, reliable interior and exterior painting, giving us a branding repositioning, offer improvements, what we can do, specifically free 15-minute home painting estimate, same-day written quote, etc., saying how we can just basically improve this overall. And then it gives us a 7-day proof plan, basically to create the basics: Google business profile, simple one-page website or landing page, what we could do on day 2, and just a whole step-by-step process on how we can improve this based on what it's seen as our skeptical friend as being shortcomings in our business plan. And then a decision rule. Continue if after 60 days you get 8 to 16 quote requests, you book at least 4 jobs, you at least 2 customers agree to photos reviews, you know which neighborhood or channel brought leads. Pivot if you get quote requests but no bookings. This means your pricing, trust, or quote process is weak. Stop and rethink, and then tells us the main fix. So it basically assessed our whole business plan and helped us restructure it, and then what we should do in the case that this fails as well. Now, once you have this prompt and you're all set up and you've done this, you can also come back to this chat with whatever your business plan is and update ChatGPT and tell it how it's going, and it can help you restructure your business plan on the run. So for instance, after 60 days or whatever the time frame it is, you can update and say, hey, I got some leads, this is where we're at, and it'll help you update as you go. Because at this point, it is now your skeptical friend analyzing your business decisions and helping you come up with the best business plan possible off of its own judgment. So that's about it. It's that simple. Once again, you guys can copy the prompt from the description of the video or the pinned comment. Once you have it, just hit paste into ChatGPT, answer the intake questions as descriptively as possible, and then you'll have your own skeptical friend that can help you with your business. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.